Okay, we're on the last one for filling in, figuring out how to get it filled in here without leaving any gaps. Definitely got to start from the bottom and work your way up. Don't try and meander up and around, because you get yourself caught in a hole and you got nowhere to go. Found that out the hard way. We're just about there. Bring this over. Using the toothpick to poke it where I want it. Gotta work fast because it crusts so quick. Making sure it adheres. If it doesn't, stick some gum paste down there. There's a dry spot. I'm gonna break that piece off right there. Just let it sit and fill in. Okay. Got our meanders done. Let's go pull some toothpicks out. Rotating them around, twisting them off, because pulling, I noticed, was pulling the fondant underneath, so I'm rotating a twist. I'm not going to reuse these, I'm tossing them. Stay put. Okay, we're letting this last section of the ruffling dry a little bit while we're going to put this other section up on top, and we're going to move that up there right now. Put a little bit of royal icing so it'll stay. Okay, the tip tightened up on me, so let's poke a hole in it. Get a toothpick. Be careful when you do that with a PME tip, because it'll widen the tip out if you use anything other than a toothpick. And then you'll change your piping if you do it in the middle of something. Okay, this is just royal. Try and get this centered on our ruffle without knocking off the royal icing that I did on the side. Okay, you guys get to see it at a different angle. I'm going to bring it around so I can see. Again, we're going to take and rotate. See it from my angle. Bring it around a little bit. Okay, we're 1 inch on this side. Smidgen over, slide it just a hair. Okay, there we go. On the back side, yep. Front side, smidgen back. There we go, we're centered. Okay, what we've got planned for the top is a ready-made gum paste flower. And because we've got bling here, I want to add a little bit of bling. So this is something I just got at the craft store that's got some bling to it that ties it into here. We're going to spread it all out a little bit, incorporate it into the flower on the back side. Bend it where I want it. This is the Cal Java ready-made gum paste flower that we're using. We're just going to wrap these two together. And this stuff I got at Michael's during the holidays. And I was like, oh, pretty bling. This is something to just snatch up when it's on sale, and it was. How's that look? Do you like that? I have another one here. Incorporate it on the downside. Wrap these around. We're going to cut those off in a minute. Brought my wire cutters. We're going to find them, and then we'll get this poked in. We're going to use a skewer to drill a hole in the cake dummy, and then we'll poke this in and we'll be right back.